Hi everyone! In this video, I wanted to walk you step by step how you can edit your products in Zazzle and have them shipped directly to your door. Zazzle is a fantastic website that allows collaboration between designers and customers to create their own products. It's a super easy process of personalizing a design, selecting the quantity you need, and having the item shipped to you. I'm going to walk you through the whole process from start to finish, and of course, if you have any questions, you can message me directly through Zazzle or leave a comment below. Okay, so first, I'm going to pull up the Save the Date magnet. And the first thing you want to do is click the Personalize button. Once you're in here, you can easily edit the wording that is already preset. So here you can see you can change the date and location. And then underneath that, you can see that you can change the name. And you can also change the Save the Date wording if you would rather have it say Save Our Date, or you can just leave it how it is. When you're ready to change the photo, simply click the Change button. Here, you can drag and drop the high-resolution photo that you would like to use. No need to crop it, you can drag and drop any high-resolution photo that you would like. And now what we're going to do is we're going to click this, click to customize further, because we're definitely going to need to edit this and crop it and line it up with our design. First I'm going to enlarge it actually. So what we're going to do is we're going to enlarge this, and then you're going to see it kind of fills the whole thing. And if you like that, that's great. But I'm going to mess around with this and I'm going to actually crop this. So here I was able to move the photo down a little. I'm just going to play with this for a second to see if I like it with the wording above, overlaying the image, which if you have an image with like a nice clear sky, that works perfectly. But as you can see in this photo, there's some trees in the background, so it's not really gonna show up very good even when I change the different font colors. So yeah, I don't think this is gonna work out too good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna resize this down, and I'm gonna actually crop the photo a little tighter and have this look a little more like the original design that I had set up. And as you can see, we're just going to crop this a little bit better here. And luckily here they do have guidelines, so I can see that I want to keep everything within the green dotted line. So I'm going to just keep cropping and resizing until I can get it to the size that I need. Alright, so once I have the photo aligned within the green margins, I can take a look at the preview, and I really like how this looks, so I'm done. You can go up here and you can select the quantity that you would like, and you can see as the more you purchase, the better savings you get. So once you select the quantity you would like, you can just simply add to cart. And see, this is going to prompt you that we didn't change the Save the Date wording, but we like it as it is, so we're going to keep going. So here, we're going to click the View Cart. And in this section, you just want to double check everything, make sure the size is right. Also, I wanted to note, go look for promo codes, because Zazzle always has really great promo codes. So be sure to look. They usually list them on their main page, so look for that first. So once you find a good promo code, you can go back in here and proceed to checkout. And here you will have to either register, or if you already have an account, you can just log in and set up your account from here. So here we're going to look at our shipping options. And you can see that they will show you an estimated delivery date before you select which shipping option you would like. If you're going to be ordering a lot of things, I would recommend purchasing the Zazzle Black option. It's for free standard shipping, and it's only $9.95 for the year. So if you think you're going to be purchasing things for, save the dates, and then engagement party, bridal shower, wedding, rehearsal dinner, you're going to be buying things all throughout the year. So this would be a really great option, because then you don't have to pay for shipping for the whole year. So, and they do have a free 30-day trial. So you could try it out for your save the dates and then see how it goes. So we're going to take a look at another one of our products, and I'm going to show you how to set up a save the date postcard. These are really popular, and I wanted to just quickly show you how to set that up. So to find one of our save the date postcards, you can simply go to our Creative Union Design shop on Zazzle and go to collections and type in save the date. So once you're in this section, you can just scroll around, look and see what you would like. We have a ton of different options to choose from. Also, you can search for anything in our shop using the collections website. I set up collections for almost every product. If you're looking for wedding invitations or fan programs or folded programs or bachelorette invites, I tried to make it as easy as possible for my customers, so then they could quickly go on here and search and find what they're looking for. Also, if you can't find what you're looking for, you can always send me a message, and I am very happy to set up custom things for my customers. If you have an idea, or if you just see something in one of the collections that I don't have listed, I'm constantly setting up new things for customers, and I'm really happy when they reach out to me and ask me for that. So, all right, let's get back to this. All right, so I'm gonna select this Script Save the Date postcard, which is one of our most popular Save the Date postcards. And Save the Date postcards are great because you don't have to worry about envelopes. You can simply put the stamp on, throw it in the mail, and I already have a pre-set up little message on the back of the postcard, so you don't even have to sign anything or worry about writing notes. I mean, this is like the easiest way to get the word out about your save the dates. So, okay, so we're gonna switch out the photo here. You wanna go back and click the personalize button, and then you're gonna click on the change button to change the photo. So once we get to that section, you're gonna wanna, you can either click the upload images or just drag and drop your image in there. And then we're gonna click the click to customize further button. And then in here you can see that this photo is actually working perfectly with this design because it has a nice open white space for the save the date wording to be centered in. So I'm just going to adjust this a little bit and enlarge it. And you can adjust the save the date wording. It's not editable, but you can adjust the size to fit the image a little bit better. From here we're going to go over to the right text panel. And here you can change any of the elements that you need. So we can either edit the text, change the font, change the color, the size, the justification, the rotation, the letter spacing, and we can even change the curvature. So you can play around with those and see what you like. Zazzle has a bunch of fonts to choose from. I mean, I selected fonts that I thought would go well with the non-editable fonts, but that's what's great about Zazzle is you can be creative and select your own fonts. So if you want to change the text on the back, you can simply go over to the left side to the layer section and click on the layer that you would like to change, and then go over to the right and click on the edit text box, and there you can edit the text. And then when you're finished, you can just simply click done and take a look at your preview and make sure that everything looks good. And then from here you can select your quantity that you would like and simply add that to the cart, So we can click on our cart and you can finish up your purchase, and don't forget to look for that Zazzle promo code before you finish your purchase. And again, this is a good time to probably add on that Zazzle Black shipping to get your free shipping for the whole year. I will include links to the 2 items that I used in this video, and I will also include links to our Zazzle shop and to our Etsy shop. If you would like me to create a video, please let me know in the comment section below. I'm always happy to help my customers. And don't forget to check out our website for more ideas for your next event. Thank you for watching.